Hey, it's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. This is our math test prep tutorial video for question number 15. The domain is number and operations fractions. Make sure you write this down in your notebook, okay? All right, the question says, put a point on the number line to show the answer to this addition problem. 1/2 plus 3/16 equals blank. All right, so ignore all this stuff. All right. So what I did is, let me cover that up, is I highlighted some keywords on there. Now, when we add fractions, what is the most important thing that you need to remember? You need to remember that you cannot add fractions with different what? Denominators. You cannot add this together because that denominator is a 2 and that's a 16. So we need to make them have what? The same denominator. I'm going to show you two different ways that I work that out. Okay. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to show you this first way with the answer already. Okay. So don't just copy. I want you to understand and listen. Okay. So there's 1/2 plus 3/16. What I did is I multiplied the denominators 2 and 16, and that gave me 32 right here. So if I did 2 times 16 is 32, I need to do 1 times 16, which is 16. So down here, I multiplied 16 times 2, which gave me 32. So I need to do 3 times 2, which gives me 6. I add the 16 and the 6 together, and that gives me 22. The 32 stays the same. I simplify by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 2, and I get 11/16. All right, so that's one way. The other way is ignore that. The denominators are 2 and 16. So this one, I wrote it vertically. I wrote this one horizontally. Horizontally, I'm making up words. All right, horizontally. You can do it either way as long as you do it. All right, now for this one, instead of multiplying 2 and 16, I actually looked at the bigger number, which was 16, and I thought about, can I multiply 2 by anything? Yes, I can multiply 2 by 8 to get 16, which means I could just leave that 16 alone. All right, so 2 times 8 is 16, so 1 times 8 is 16, so I wrote it right here. And that 3/16 stays the same. And now I get 11/16. That's already simplified, so I do not need to simplify that one. Now to find it on the number line, first I need to count how many spaces I have. So you see from, what's this? No, right here, 0 to 1 whole. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 spaces there, which gives us our fraction, 16th, the part of a fraction. And I'm just going to count 11 over and bam, put it right there. All right. So this may look a little bit confusing to you. It may look a little bit challenging to you, but it's actually it's not. Okay. It's so easy. Make sure you just practice and practice some more so they can be super, super easy for you. Okay. All right. Love you.